It all started in 1955. Today, with 6 group companies and over 3,000 employees, we represent a broad vision ranging from energy to telecommunications, from lighting to renewable energy. With 12 facilities, an annual production capacity of 300,000 tons and a turnover exceeding $350 million, we are growing with confidence. Our name is MİTAŞ Group. We draw our strength from engineering and our inspiration from the future. Of tomorrow. We grow with a focus on sustainability, digitalization, and innovation. Without stopping, without tiredness, we work for a brighter future. If there's a signature in world's energy, infrastructure, and technology, there's our dedication and our faith in the future.
We are MİTAŞ Group.